Welcome to the YouTube channel。大家好，今日歡迎你嚟到。呢度係邊度 ？Plantation Bay Resort Spa。個景係咪唔係咁靚咧？冇呢張咁靚咧。係啦，因為其實喺嗰邊嘅，你調轉身，呢個係邊度嚟？哇！ Look at that!
Oh, I didn't know we had a bath.
No, kind of fancy, bro.
Nice.
Wait, but they don't give me a toothbrush? I didn't bring a toothbrush.
Oh shit, I didn't bring one too.
Cool. And then we welcome you to the room. Look at this.
Wow, it's so big. I like the canopy, it's so cute. Okay, man down.
It's bigger than my bed at home.
Okay, certified big.
So we come over here. Simple but refined taste. I welcome you. Wait, how do I open?
The star of the show. Technical difficulty.
Ah. Welcome. This is where I sip coffee. Look at couples do standing up board, paddleboard. Look at couples kayak in the middle of a lagoon. You see that?
Yeah.
No, they working out, man. They're not even chill. They're like trying hard, man.
What are your thoughts, Mr. Lung?
Pretty good. Honestly.
What are your thoughts on the view while lying down?
Pretty good, honestly. You want to take a seat? I'm not gonna do
Yeah, I do.
Good.
I want to. I shall join you. Ayo. Oh my, this is the life, man.
大家好，眨下眼，頭先嘅美麗的陽光就變成這樣啦。可以見到啲雨而家非常之大，天空非常之朦，但係啲鬼佬咧，例如好似呢個係唔會理㗎，係會照游水㗎。Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, so this is our view. Honestly, pretty good, right? Yo, look at that! Look at that patch of light over there. It's kind of pretty. Doesn't look like there's a storm anymore. It just looks like it's nighttime.
Oh, hello guys. This is our first meal in Cebu, Philippines, and this is the appetizer. Cheese.
Oh, real good.
Mmm.
Yeah, real good.
Yeah,
What is it?
It's like spicy bolognese sauce,
Oh,
but also like
I take it back.
what?
The sarcasm in the beginning was not warranted. This is pretty good. I apologize. For any Filipino people watching this, I apologize. It's good. Please leave us know in the comments what this is. This is very good.
The waitress told us what it is, but we don't know. So
We just had appetizers. That now exists in their stomach. How is it? Yummy?
should I open my mouth? Open
Yeah.
my mouth.
Open it.
Should I jump scare everyone?
No.
Don't see
Stop biting it.
hole.
If you're gonna open it and you keep biting, I won't see shit.
This is the Parisian sandwich, question mark? And then we've got the digging. Getting abducted by aliens. That's the alien. Yo, that looks vibey. Actual alien head.
No. I eat a lot.
I feel like without context, this looks like we're walking in a mine.
I eat carrots, so my eyes are good.
No, it's blueberries, no?
It's carrots, though.
Woo. Woo.
What's up?
This is what's up, bro. We gotta deal with this.
So actually, you guys were just saying it's 風平浪靜 because it doesn't feel like anything's happening right now. But actually it's, well, I mean, right now it's just raining. It's not that bad. But just a while ago, I'd say maybe 30 seconds ago, it was pretty bad. But I guess
we were indoors with the balcony door closed, and we could hear the wind boom, 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 and the rain going like cray.
do we need to sit down for a bit
Yeah, we should
to film for the evidence?
wait for it to come.
Oh, look at the floor, look at the floor. You see that? You see that? You see that? You see that? Oh, okay. It's been over a minute, close to 2 minutes of waiting.
Dude, it's pretty calm.
I know, right?
The trees aren't even moving.
That's diamond, man.
It's called stage fright. It's like performance anxiety. It's like once it's on camera, it's like, oh, I'm shy. Oh, shoulder.
Dude, it's hard. It's hard to capture nature at its worst, man. Not at its worst, at its best. At its most destructive abilities. You know, if we stuck to our original plan, we would be about done with the fireflies around now. Guys, oh my god, look at those trees. As you can see, we are in storm.
Let's talk about the story of our refunds.
As we chill.
And everything got cancelled.
Okay.
So basically, we weren't even supposed to be here. We were supposed to take the ferry to Bohol,
No.
watch the fireflies on the river cruise in
No.
Bohol, and stay at our hotel in Bohol.
No.
And the next day, have a boat tour and look at, turtles and dolphins and fun things.
If we
And
see them.
island hop,
No, if we see them.
But the moment we landed, it was like the typhoon was so strong. Like we couldn't.
No, when we
it was
landed,
really
was
strong.
okay.
It was
Yeah,
really
okay,
strong.
yeah, that's pretty bad.
Like
The
like,
plane was like freaking like up and down, up and down.
Yeah, there was like so much turbulence. when we were
Turbulence,
coming in.
that's the word.
And then
My arms are getting tired. Rotate.
we
Yes.
already knew that like things were gonna get cancelled.
Yeah.
At that point, and we
No.
already saw on Facebook like the same day that ferries were all cancelled. So we couldn't even make it to Bohol.
Yeah, no. So we know that the ferries were canceled, but we were worried that the Firefly tour and the boat tour in Bohol would not cancel. But then it canceled, as you can see from the wind. So we got our refunds back.
And the thing about the refund that we wanted to talk about is that, like, we were not okay. We didn't have our expectations high, but we ended up getting everything refunded. And we want to shout out
Except the hotel.
Oh, except the hotel.
That was
non-refundable when we booked it.
Shout out to Get Your Guide, Josh. You the man. We love you.
So we're about to sleep. We're actually really happy to be here. We're just. Oh, it's starting to rain. Oh, I feel it. Okay, so we've just been here sitting with our hot water and hot tea and looking at the balcony. But it's time to eat.
It's raining. Oh wait, that's my feet, guys. Bye bye.
Hello vlog. We're at lunch. And Mansa's busy doing his studying of the storm whereabouts. Being the academic that he is always studying and on the pursuit of knowledge. Look at him. He's so.
So I'm reading if we're safe to go out to go on boat trips, man. You don't want to be on a boat trip and then suddenly it flips and dies. Right?
So, if it were to be bad and they didn't cancel, would you make the executive decision for us to not go?
No, I still go.
Okay, so what is this for? Really?
Know that I'd be going, but it'd be a stupid decision.
But you would still make it anyways.
No.
So it's an informed but stupid decision.
Exactly.
Okay. I'm in your hands. My life.
Exactly. So you can do dumb things, but you should be informed when you're doing dumb things. You know?
Okay.
You should be like, I know what I'm doing is dumb, but I'm still gonna do it.
It's a freaking bulletin from the government.
Alright guys, we have an excellent performance today. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Coconut nut is a giant nut.
If you eat too much, you get very fat. Now this coconut nut is a big nut. But this delicious nut is not the nut. It's a cocoa fruit.
It's a cocoa fruit from the cocoa tree.
From the cocoa tree of the coconut family. Hello.
We're in the lagoon. All my cuts
No.
burning a little. This is our resort.
Show them.
It looks so empty though. Like no one's in the water with us. But
Like
I think
all
everyone's
the
in the fresh
fresh
water.
water.
So this is a saltwater lagoon. There's a freshwater pool over there.
Yeah.
Over. You can't see it. There.
Yeah.
Never stop.
It's so chaotic with the jacuzzi in the background.
See that? Trash. You gotta focus, man.
This thing is heavier than I.
Oh, she's weaker than she thought.
I'm watching closely, dude. Mới chậm tô. Okay, fine. He's a little better. Okay, I can't lie. I feel like he's gonna hit the yellow. Whatever, man. Whatever. Last arrow already. Let's see if you hit it. Let's see if you hit it. Okay, not bad. Fine.
Please update your viewers what's happening. You'll see right here that I am stripes, which only has 1, 2, and then you see that solids is boom, 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 boom. You see? How you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling?
I'm gonna catch up. Just keep on.
All right, man. Show us. Show us. Show us.
I'm gonna get up ready.
Show us. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. This is her first shot. First shot. First shot. First shot. Oh, are you proud of yourself? Are you proud of yourself?
Going to the World Championships.
Looking embarrassed of you.
Hey, I'm gonna catch up.
Okay.
Yo. Where's the white ball?
I still have less than you.
Why is the white ball missing? Oh no, it's here. Okay, we're down to 1-1. Not gonna lie, I feel proud of myself for redeeming myself, okay? I got it!
It's really true.
Okay. Can you watch me get the money shot, please?
Okay.
Thank you. What do I get for following? Yes! Hi, that's my girl. Oh, look at this. Mr. Long. An interview in advance. How does it feel to lose today?
Okay, tell me after you win. Tell me after you win.
Okay, my turn.
What have you butchered?
I'll do the
No, but
same roll.
Oh, it's just a straight shot. Oh, no. You can't cheat like that. Not at the end.
Really? I thought you could use the end.
Yeah, you can. She's trying to make sure she secures it. She's trying to secure the bag.
Yeah. No, I actually also come off physically.
You better not miss, man. No, that's it. That's it. You touch it. No. You touch it. You touch it. You touch it. You touch it.
No, it didn't move. It didn't move.
Okay,
It didn't move.
Hold this.
It didn't move. Stop it.
It's
Let
okay.
me have it. Let me have it. No. Let me have it.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Let me. Yeah!